Hey guys, Chef Jose Sarasola back for another video for you guys, and today I'll be doing shrimp fried rice. I just got a bit of fresh basil to go with the fried rice. The ingredients are very easy to find, procedures very easy as well. Let me show you how it's done. Let's go! So our ingredients today will be our oil, our garlic, onions, an egg, 1 chili, some leftover rice and not fresh rice, shrimp, bell pepper, carrots, chives, sugar, Thai patis, or if none, regular patis or fish sauce will do, soy sauce, some cucumber, and our fresh basil. So the first thing to do would be cooking our egg. So I just want my egg to settle. And then later we will be adding it to our rice. So now guys, we add more oil to another pan. We're going to start to fry our ingredients. Make sure your oil is hot before putting in anything. Let's put in our garlic. There you go. Our onions. Just stir them for a bit. We can add in our carrots. Mix well, of course. We add in our bell pepper. So all these ingredients are very fragrant, so I'm sure our fried rice will taste really good. On this note, we can add our shrimp. Shrimp cooks really fast, so make sure your flame is low because we're going to be adding other ingredients later. On this note, we're going to be adding some chili for an extra spice kick. There, you can see our shrimp changing color very quickly. It's now getting the color orange, and just cook them for a bit more. On this note, we can now add our rice. It's good already. Just mix it very well on a low flame again, don't forget. We'll be adding our sauces, our soy sauce, our fish sauce or patis, and our sugar, just to balance out everything, not too much. Just mix well. I want everything to really incorporate together. I want the sauces to really penetrate the rice. And of course, all the vegetables that we put in. On this note, we can already add our last two ingredients. Our spring onion. So this won't take too much more time. And of course, our last ingredient will be our fresh basil, which we picked earlier. Just give it a last mix for everything to come together. And after that, we can now plate our dish. So our fried rice is ready. And guys, the egg, I just sliced it and put it on top of the fried rice. But if you want, you can also mix the egg with the rice when frying it. So now we can try our shrimp fried rice. Right. Let's go. Really reminds me of Thailand, guys. The more ingredients, it will taste so much better. So guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you try this recipe at home. Let me know in the comments what you thought about the recipe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.